Really passive whispering. It brings the voice together a little bit. If I pressed whisper, it's like this, and you see the hole where my hair is coming out.